Today we have something super exciting, something that I've been waiting for myself, PS5 Pro. Yep, it's finally here, and today we're gonna unbox it. We will check what's inside and we will compare it with the original PS5 box. So let's dive right in. First of all, let's take a look on the box itself and let's compare it with the original PS5 box. Fortunately, I kept mine here. I will put it right next to the Pro version so you can see the difference. First thing that you will notice is that Pro version is smaller than the original one, at least it's shorter, which basically means that now Sony can deliver even more boxes within one shipment, and it will help to avoid any shortage of this thing. If you remember, we had a huge shortage with the PS5 back in the 2020 and 2022. It was a real challenge to get one of those. Another huge difference is that for the original version, the focus color was white. For the Pro version, as you can see, it's black. And another big difference is, and I believe this is the last one in the list of the really big differences, is the image of the console itself. As you can see on the Pro version, it has those lines, and of course, know that it's a Pro version. Now let's take a look on smaller differences between those two. For example, on original box, you can see 8K, 4K 120Hz and HDR. On the Pro version, they removed 8K, so right now you will see there only 4K, 120Hz and HDR, and that's it. Now let's take a look on the back side of those. Back sides looks pretty similar. They changed the highlights here and below. On the original version, it was play like never before. On the Pro version, it says Witness Play Unleashed. And below highlights, it says Lightning Speed, Breathtaking Impression, and Stunning Games. And on Pro version, now saying the PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution, Optimized Console Performance, and Advanced Ray Tracing. On the original version, they placed in the corners the size of the storage. It was 825 gigabytes, and they removed it from the Pro version and they put it on a side here. Yeah, and right now it's 2 terabytes. And the last thing that I would like to mention regarding differences in those two boxes is the top side of it. And the original one I like much more. Let me show you why. In the original box, they've put a handle here, so it makes carrying this thing really convenient and easy. For the Pro version, you have nothing, it's just a regular box. Okay, so that's it with the box itself and with the comparison with the original version. And I believe we can begin with the unboxing itself. Okay, where is my magic knife? Here it is. Let's start. So we'll cut here. Let's open. Okay, so what do we have here? We have another box. Let's take it out. Okay, let's get it out. Okay, wow, so we can see the sign of the PlayStation right here. Let's open this box and see what's inside. Okay, now, so what do we have here? Let's open this thing up. I'll turn it to the camera so you can see what we will find inside. Okay, so what we have here, 2 cords. This is the USB Type-C cord for charging your DualSense controller. This is power cord for the PS5 itself. This thing, I'm not sure what it is. It's looks like some kind of key or a stand. Maybe it's for a stand, not sure. We'll see. I'll check it out a bit later. Let's see what we have next there. So another cord, it's a HDMI to connect it to your TV. And yeah, of course, DualSense controller. It looks absolutely identical as the PS5 original one. Just a sec, let me grab a PS original DualSense controller. So yeah, this is controller from the original PS5, and as you can see, it's absolutely identical. Maybe it's a bit dirty in comparison with the PS5 Pro, but in general, it's completely the same. Yeah, no differences. But it's new, which is good. And what else we have there? Okay, so this instruction how to get it out, right? I need to put it on a side and then pull it out. Okay, let me see. Okay, and here it is. Here is our PS5 Pro. Let me do how they're showing to do. Okay, so they wanted me to put it on side like this, I believe, and get it out. Okay, like this. Some paperwork for PS5 Pro and PS5 itself. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay, so here it is. It looks smaller and a bit lighter, I believe. I'm not sure about lighter, but yeah, smaller, 100%. So USB Type-C we have here, turn on button. Here for power, LAN, USB, USB another, and HDMI. I don't know why, but I thought that the overall packaging will be a bit better than for the original PS5, but it's not. I believe in the original PS5 we even had headphones there, but I'm not sure. I need to check it out. All right, first impressions. Nothing really surprising here. I would say it's even a step back from the packaging point of view in comparison with the packaging of original PS5. But hopefully all of those money that they saved on the packaging, they invested in the hardware. This thing feels and looks lighter and smaller, which is definitely good. And Sony promises us an incredible experience with PS5 Pro. And with the new hardware, we should see faster load times, better graphics, extended storage so you can keep even more games on it. So this thing definitely designed for people who wants an ultimate gaming experience. That's it for unboxing today. I'm super excited to start testing that out. If you're thinking about buying PS5 Pro, definitely stay tuned for more videos. In the comment section, let me know if you have the same impression of the unboxing as I am. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Bye.